morning. What's happening, guys? It's been a tough week. Dealing with phone issues. Had to start up a new YouTube channel just to keep the videos flowing, but I'm starting all over. I have 1 subscriber, thanks to Google. Good morning. How are you? What's that? I'm doing good. Getting ready to go do a job down near the mall. Yeah. Have a great day. Enjoy this cool weather, man. Oh, I know it. Have a good one. So, yeah, it's been a challenge, guys. I'm down to 1 phone. I had to buy it, a new one, put my SIM card in it for my business so that I'm able to receive calls, at least for my business. I think this is like day 10 of this horrific story, but I got a call this morning. I got to go down to a customer I've had for 25 years. Actually put the plumbing in their brand new house for Lennar Homes. And they were great people, great couple. And he called me this morning saying he's got a leak coming out from under the cabinet in the kitchen, which means I'm not sure if he's got PEX or copper in that house. Seems to me, I remember he had PEX in there. I'm hoping it's just a leaky dishwasher, because I don't want to get into locating leaks and trying to figure out, even though it's coming up out of the slab behind the kitchen, it could be 10 feet from there. So I don't enjoy leak detecting. It's just not fun for me. A lot of wasted time, a lot of I'm not going to go for whole the house. Dealing with tile and carpet. So I'm gonna head down there, and then I gotta go to my friend Lee. She is the nail tech, and she's got some issues. Last week I actually fixed her drains. She told me she didn't care that they don't hold water, so I fixed the drains in two sinks in her shop, her nail shop. And now this week she called me. She said her employees really would like to be able to hold water in them, which isn't a problem. I just need to go buy their vessel sinks. So I need to buy a couple of push button POs without the overflow. So couple jobs early this morning. We'll see what comes in. Maybe this is a good thing, starting over. I hope I didn't lose the over 600 videos that I put up on YouTube, and I'm not able to control them. We'll see. Right now I'm on a 30-day wait. 30 days before they call me and say, yeah, your phones are good. You can check into your phones now and reboot them. But it's a struggle, guys. I'm sure there's lots of lessons to be learned here. And I'm going to write them down. Just get so used to just turning things on, because Google holds all your passwords. And I forgot them. I changed my pattern and forgot it the next morning. I changed my pattern at like 10 o'clock, went to bed 10 minutes later, and woke up the next day and couldn't remember what I changed it to. Fucking getting old ain't for sissies. And there's a reason why I changed it, which I will at some point let you know why. Okay, so I got one right and the other one's wrong. Chrome finish, push button for sinks without overflow. Same thing. Boy, you gotta really be careful when you're in a store like this because everything's mixed up. I just want to look at the prices of things while I'm here. They have a wide selection. I don't get this. I mean, it looks great, but what if you have to repair it? How do you get it off? Shark bite. They've got some nice, they've got a good copper supply here. 1/2 inch.
All right, thank you.
Wow. $20 for a 1/2 inch by 5. Wow. 1/2 inch by 10 is 27. Or if you buy bulk, when you buy 8, at least 8, you get them for $22. Alright, I gotta go. Alright guys, so I'm at the nail salon here and I'm gonna change these drains out.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. You're losing weight a lot. No, I can't finish. Why? You don't want to gain more. Okay. Monday.
Okay guys, so Goofy, as I expected.
such a cutie. The tissue.
This could be a challenge, guys. Sorry about that, guys, but I'm gonna have to cut that. Alright, guys, so this is really corroded. I'm gonna try to cut this nut with this tool.
Under the towel, so I don't see it. So they, but they make it in condensed. Epsom salt. Yeah. Email me, have you?
No, I mean, I
Okay, thank you. When? Wednesday? Yes, what time do you like to come? 1:15. 1:15. What's your name? What you getting, Vicky? On the pill only. If you want feet done too or no? The pill. Okay, thank you, Vicky. See you, Vicky, 1:15 after 1 on Wednesday. Let's see that. Thank you, Vicky.
in her bathroom, and that's somehow I was putting on the top of my roof.
Vicky, can you bring the phone for me? Maybe I pick up the phone better. Can get the job for you guys to do. Thank you. Hi, sorry I missed your call.
It's in. It's in.
When would you like to come? Yes, yes. Yeah. 45.
This whole thing is corroded. It's been leaking. I gotta be very careful not to break this sink, but this stuff needs to be cut off. Alright guys, so I get this drain off finally. Just trying to clean it up. Okay. So that's that. I need to put the, I need to get this drain. This hole needs to be bigger. They had the gasket on the bottom tightened to the sink. I mean tightened to the countertop. Not sure that's supposed to be that way.
You book by yourself, John. You don't book with anybody.
Nope. Just myself.
That's good, good. Good.
Well, yeah,
Yeah, we
Carol. Let me put the Carol. Instead of I'm gonna say we need Carol one.
Oh, you fucking kidding me. Dented. Some days you can't win for losing, guys. Some days, man. Let me open the other one and see if I can. I could probably straighten that out. Yeah, that hole needs to be bigger. This hole needs to be bigger because the sink should not be.
You don't use it.
This is all wet here, this wood. It's just gonna destroy this cabinet, this counter.
You want me to clean on the side a little bit or no?
That old bruise on that toe is gonna be there a long time. It's there, but no, it's been there a long time. Yesterday was 11 hours.
I'm gonna have to try to tap that thing out, man. Let me go see what kind of hole saw I need.
9:45. Hey, can we call you 1:45? Yeah, 5 p.m. What's your name?
You didn't do my eyebrows.
Okay, thank you, Karen. Yeah, we have what? Yeah, thank you.
Maybe one day should not be the same. Some people,
You gotta grab it when you can.
yeah, you know what they're called, I don't know.
Do you find that when it's high season, when everybody's in,
No more, take it down below. Really drove in, you know.
yeah,
After North people coming, you know,
right,
the
mosquito birds.
It's so deep in, I don't know what to do now. It's so deep in.
no more people coming here.
It's so deep in. Really bad in the south.
After in the school, they like hard again.
Dead.
I'm sorry, you know.
I think it's that way for a lot of
Huh? Yeah.
What made you decide to do this?
This thing is 8, right?
Yes.
What is that? 30? 7.5?
My shoe size? It used to be 8.5, but I think I'm big trunk. That's like your over. You know, I don't need to know much about my shoe size to wear flip flops and shoe size. I never enclose my feet. I don't like to have my feet enclosed. If it's not sandals and flip flops, I don't want it. Yeah, you're gonna do something.
Many years ago, China people, everybody hated that.
Yeah?
Because we do, okay?
So I'm doing this a little different than the last guys. Let me see.
Looking at my son said, don't call that man anymore, Mom. Don't call that man anymore, Mom.
We got this thing back in. Got a new strainer in it. I just need to get creative to caulk it in so it doesn't move. Alright guys, I got this thing all set. I did it different than the last guy so that it's not, if it did leak, it's not going to leak into the countertop. I've got it fastened down with the old bolt.
Mom, how are you? Older, yeah. So that's it, what she want to do?
That's it. This one's done.
I'm okay, I don't have it now. Oh, you coming? Oh my God. Come here, okay. Now how come we do it? No, we don't come back. We have to do it.
Alright guys, so here goes number 2. Hopefully this one will be easier than the last one. It doesn't look as corroded up there.
Yeah, I'm just gonna say, I should have called, but you know what, I just.
Yeah. I think this one's gonna go a lot easier. So much of that.
A jugar, la lleva para afuera. Ponele en el coche y se lleva a la camioneta. Se va a dormir un minuto. Ponele en la carriola y andate. Por la vereda. Bueno, para el día te llamo.
This is tight.
Y yo salgo allá, dejé las cámaras allá afuera, de arriba del canto, pues ahí ya los números, ¿no? Pero eso, puedes ponerlo ahí.
It's okay?
Y por lo menos 20 minutos más. 20 minutos más. Es 8, 5, 8, 8. Y los dos cositos son rojos. Ah, buenísimo. No, me da bien, me da bien. No, ahora nos vemos nosotros.
You want to be done? Bye bye. Thank you.
Alright guys, so I got the second one in. Didn't have the gasket in there. So let's see. This one went together a lot easier. See, and I knew what I was in for. Yowza. Shit seems all cross-threaded. Funky. Still We gotta leave.
I'll probably do a pedicure, cause I gotta do some cleaning today and I'll just.
The Phoebe, Phoebe has come, right?